Do you hear that? Oh my god. Did you hear that sound? Oh my god. Wow. Good morning, Titos and Titas of the Philippines. So today, we will be cooking our pork belly lechon using our American home appliance. I have the unboxing video in the description. You can check that out for our American home appliance electric oven. So we'll be using that in cooking our pork belly. So guys, our pork belly, tatry natin marinate overnight. This is how we will marinate this thing. So, and then half lang. Huh? Yan. So this is our okay. So to start, this is our pork belly. We marinated this for more than 1 hour or overnight. So we put in here black pepper, salt, soy sauce, and squeezes of lemon. Okay, you can check it out in the video. Okay. So here we go. Our pot drying first after we marinated the pork belly. So here we go. Okay, so that it is easier to cook later. Okay. So here is our pork belly after we pat dry this one. So be sure that you get rid of the moisture. So you see, so it will be crunchy later. So here are our ingredients. We have, this is only 2 pieces of chili if you really want it to be spicy, lemongrass, or in Tagalog ay tanglad, and then this one is onion leeks or dahon ng sibuyas, and garlic. And then we have, okay, of course, black pepper. So I already chopped this one. First we will put in our onion leeks, and then okay, and our garlic. Be sure to spread that out. Okay. Okay. Be sure you punch your lemongrass so that, or squeeze it so that the juices will come out. Okay. Spread that out. Okay, just like that. Okay. And then our chili. Then we will have our black pepper. Now be sure guys, if you go to the supermarket, if you buy pork belly, you can ask the staff there to buy kitchen thread, okay, for our pork belly. So just roll it. Okay, and like that. Okay. We'll brush it with our cooking oil. Okay. Just only for a few times. So this is our pork belly. Okay. Then be sure to put in some oil in your grill so that it will not stick to your home appliance electric oven, so it will last long. We already know the use of this thing, okay? So this is actually used to put in our grill to our electric oven, because we already preheat this electric oven. So we'll put in the second lower part, then we'll put our pork belly at the bottom, at the grill. Here we go. Then you can also use this one to catch up the dripping. Okay, so we're going to use this at the bottom. So here we go. We actually preheat this one, so we will cook this for 2 hours, but we will start with just an hour at 410 Fahrenheit. Okay, So guys, we are done cooking. So here is our pork belly lechon. After 140 minutes. Okay. There we go. Okay, let's try first. And this one. Ta-da! Look at that. Oh yes. That. Yes. So crunchy. Yes. So here we go, guys. Do you hear that? Do you hear that? So I'm going to cut. Okay. Right in the middle. Or here. Ooh! Oh my god. Oh my god. Did you hear that sound? Oh my god. Ooh.
Just kita may please.
Can you hear it? Can you hear it? Oh my god. Okay, let's transfer. Okay. There we go. Oh my god. Oh my god. So here we go, guys. Ooh. Wow. Oh my god. Did you see that smell, that smoke? Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Ooh, crunchy. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Okay, let's try this one. Woohoo! So tastes like chicharron. Yeah. Look at that, guys. So that's it, guys. Our pork belly lechon. Our fans in Europe, Germany, France, and Spain, 100% you'll like it.